Hey guys, I'm doing what's inside a fidget cube. So, I'm going to start tearing it open, and you're going to see what's inside a fidget cube. So, you have that. You got like some of these pieces. Oh, this cracked it open. This is the 5 thing. Then you have some of these little gears and a ball. Gears. They're really small, and now it's open the other side. Oh, I found another gear. Got out. So let's see. Sorry about that. So the other side, let's see if I can get it. I don't think I can get it. Let's see here. See right there, I think I can maybe rip that open. Let's see. Nope, I can't get it, so. Nope, I can't get it. So, you saw what's inside a fidget cube. At least you saw it, some of it, right? Half of it. So, sorry I couldn't get to the whole thing, but thank you for watching. And try to get comments. Comment if you liked it, and hit that like button. And please just comment, subscribe, and thank you. And yeah, fits perfectly right there.